Hello, in this video I'll show you how to convert pricing spreadsheets into sales quoting apps on Zoho CRM. Here is a fictitious insurance company's life insurance rater. You can see all the inputs and the outputs. We created a web application using Spreadsheet Web, and this is the web version of that workbook converted on Spreadsheet Web platform. You can see that the application includes the same inputs and the same formula calculations. Let's see how this web application can be embedded into Zoho CRM. First, go to the deals page and add some custom fields matching to the price sheet. And after that, go to the apps marketplace. This is where you will install the application. When you search for Spreadsheet Web, you will see the extension and you can install it just like this. After the installation, it's time to go back and run the Spreadsheet Web application for this particular deal. First, add the application. It will ask you to give it a name, the application link, and its unique identifier. You can get this information from your Spreadsheet Web account. Also, because we have matching names, we can use Autopopulate feature. It will automatically detect fields on Zoho CRM and match them to the fields in Spreadsheet Web application. But if you have anything missing, you can also do it manually. Now that we're done, we can run the application. As you can see, when we run it, all the inputs from the deal are automatically populated and the outputs are calculated. When you hit the save button, it will be saved and the calculated total premium will be written back to the deal. But you can always make changes. Let's change the base policy amount. And when we run the application again, we will see the updated number and also the calculations will be updated as well. Spreadsheet Web also offers you to create fully customizable PDF documents. Here you can see one created including the advanced features such as headers, footers, formattings, page numberings, and more. This proposal can be printed or shared with your customers. When you go back to the application and save the changes, you will see the updated calculations and those will be written back to the deal details. As a conclusion, with Spreadsheet Web's Zoho CRM integration, you can convert your pricing spreadsheets created in Excel into web applications and embed them into Zoho CRM to calculate and generate coding proposals.